haven't shown my face in a minute, right? Yeah, last time I showed my face was probably like the face reveal, I ain't gonna lie, but today's video is gonna be a little different. Hey, my boy, we going to the fucking gun range, nigga. Shit, man, the last time I shot a gun, man, we don't speak about that. Better vibe out, you feel me? Let's get it, man, let's do it. One more thing, I ain't gonna lie, you see the drip? You see the drip? You see the drip? You zip it all the way up. Nice hoodie, bro. I'm a tall dude, bro. So if the hood fit good, you know this good clothing, bro. Zipper go all the way up. Shout out to my fucking boy, man. This nigga really doing something. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga got it. This shit say no faking. I ain't gonna lie. We outside.
Don't you see I'm fortunate? And I got money in the mattress, saving for that foreign whip, so I could pull up to your crib and lay it down on you. When I be around, I never see a frown on you. Couple years from now, I'll put 100 down on you. I seen this all coming. I'm the type of nigga to turn his dreams into something. I'm doing different, guess I make him wanna talk to me. I'm on my role model shit, now clothing lines won't sponsor me.
Shit gonna be a movie.
Feel I'm almost there now. She looking fine when she walk with me, getting stared down. I feel like pop with all the smoke, I'm about to air out. I left so many in the past, I just don't care now. I put 200 on the dash, can't even stare now. Who knew the fakest get the closest? If you ain't hear from me, check the credits, see I wrote it. When they see you popping, all these niggas turning vultures. I've been feeling pockets and I did it with no socials, yeah. Everywhere I go, I be influencing. I know there's some niggas I put on, now I ain't cool with them. I'm the type to make it through the storm, no you can't ruin it. Let's talk about these rappers that all cap, I know a few of them. I feel like I'm made for more than this. I like entertainment, I can't have no boring bitch. So I got me the baddest, don't you see I'm fortunate. And I got money in the mattress, saving for that foreign whip, so I could pull up to your crib and lay it down on you. When I be around, I never see a frown on you. Couple years from now, I'll put 100 down on you. I seen this all coming. I'm the type of nigga to turn his dreams into something, yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you're leaning into it a little bit. Like lean. Oh yeah, like that. With the same grip. All right, good. Alright, let that bitch go. Good shot. Now, back all the way, forward all the way. Alright, you ready? Nice. Another good shot. You're actually a good shot.
This shit go dislocate my shoulder.
Yup. That felt good to pump that bit, don't it?
Hell yeah.
Alright. You got like 3 more shots. You feel me? And then you push forward with your left hand, it hurts less, it controls the recoil better. Nice. Right where you already landed. Believe it or not, you're actually a pretty good shot with the shotgun. Yo, you might see the big difference. Just like my style. All the way. Once you hear that, you're the
That's it?
One more, yeah. Deep. Nice. Okay, you ready? Sorry. You gotta put the target first, though.
Gotta put it aside. And then I don't have to cock it, right?
No.
Nah. Hold it tight.
Nigga missed completely.
I did it. I hit the top. I hit the hand, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
I don't know why I keep hitting the top.
Here you go, bro.
Look at this, bro. He's hanging on by a limb, bro. Fucked him up on my soul, for real.